When you come into Manipal, you get to see basically a plethora of clubs. So there's technical and non-technical clubs. If you really have that competitive drive and you want to participate in these international competitions or just really deepen your technical knowledge, you always have these student projects.
I've always had this fascination for aircrafts and aerospace engineering. And when I heard about the student project Aero MIT at Manipal, I thought, okay, this is the place I want to go to.
When I landed up over here, I heard about Moto Manipal, which is about bikes, and that is truly my passion. As a budding engineer, getting to work on a bike, especially an electric bike, which is the future, was an opportunity I could not miss.
So we started off with the autonomous car. Manus branded itself as an artificial intelligence robotics club. So I thought, why not? Let's see what it has.
With my time at Moto Manipal, I have learned the ins and outs of how to make a chassis, how to design a swing arm, how the design software work. So that I think has given me a practical edge over everybody else.
In our classroom, we are just taught how to design, but in student projects, then you actually have to manufacture it. Here, since we have to build it, we have to keep in mind that our design is practical and actually feasible.
We as a team build the plane from scratch. Initially, sometimes when we fly it, it crashes. And after repairing, when it flies, or we test another iteration out and it flies really well, you feel this sense of achievement, like you've done something really good.
Here at Manus, there's a family where you're not afraid to fail, and they let you grow beyond yourself.
So right now the car can perform lane driving pretty effectively. So we use state-of-the-art deep learning techniques to get obstacles and basically label what they are.
We assembled the entire bike, we put it up on the stand, and it ran butter smooth. Then the time came to actually ride it. So everybody was scared because since nobody has ever ridden it, can it actually do it? When we took it out, we pulled it as soon as it accelerated. It was the best moment of my life.
I personally work on drones, and the first time I managed to fly a drone, that was one of the best experiences in my life. Our team's been participating in RC modeling competitions for over 10 years now. This year was one of our most successful years. In the SAE Aero Design competition held in the US, we placed 5th in the world, the best Indian team in that competition. And we blew our Indian competition, our Asian competition by a mile.
Secondly, we took this bike to our first Indian circuit, the Asian e-bike competition. We just went there just to learn, and once we went there, we actually ended up with 4 prizes, which was a huge deal for us.
The Intelligent Ground Vehicle Competition is an annual unmanned ground vehicle competition, and top teams from around the world compete in it. And we actually managed to secure the first place in the world this year.
So basically, why you would want to join Manipal, there's no limit to having fun, there's no limit to learn, and there's no limit for you to discover yourself.